Kapamilya actor Arjo Ataide is reportedly eyeing the congressional seat in Quezon City's 5th Legislative District. Incumbent Representative Alfred Vargas has reached the maximum 3-year term limit and will seek another elective post. Congressional insiders told Politico that Ataide will most likely pursue his congressional bid. He will run under the team of Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte and Vice Mayor Gian Soto. But Ataide's congressional bid cannot be considered a walk in the park. The brother of Vargas, 5th District Councilor Patrick Michael P.M. Vargas, is also eyeing the same post. Ataide's campaign caravan is expected to be star-studded if it pushes through. His mom Sylvia Sanchez and sister Ria Ataide are both actresses. His girlfriend is Kapuso celebrity Maine Mendoza, and her so-called dabarkads from noontime show Eat Bulaga are expected to be on the Kapamilya actor's side.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.